Hi all. Okay, I just took my air conditioner apart. I just took it out of the window, and as I drained it, I looked inside the cracks on the gate, and I saw this stuff in there. It's like a brown goo. So that's not good. So I know a few years ago I watched some videos on how to clean them. So I brought it outside, used my drill, I took off a bunch of screws on the back, and it popped right out. The only thing that was a little tricky, there was these clips up on top that went into the plastic. Okay, this is styrofoam here. So, you know, this whole part here is outside, so I'm sure it's fine to hose off. I'm going to hose it down. Okay, so I got the hose here. I just got it on low. Okay, so I sprayed it down good, squirted some dish soap down inside there. I used a brush. I just happen to have one of these out here. So I washed both sides of the blades. The blades were pretty nasty. Had black soot on them. Down inside here, got down in there best I could. I don't think the water would hurt this. I avoided this part the best I could. That's where all the electronics are. Have to clean along here with some type of towel or something. I made sure I squirted down in here good. Lots of the brown gunk was hiding down along that bottom edge. Especially, you know, I squirted down inside that little crack there. So it's a lot better than it was. So I'd say if you can afford a new one, every year or two I'd just get a new one, because that was just plain old nasty. You're breathing that air going through all that dirt and stuff like that. So make sure you rinse the back of your grate there. I think that's the condenser. There's a lot of dirt built up on there. There's small little $5 tools that you can buy, and you run them down through here. It straightens all these things out. This stuff is real fine. Okay, now I'll let it dry. See if I can put it back together.